The shoulder pain that I originally came here for, I haven't had in months. Hip pain is progressively getting better. Ankles are better, knees are better. I now have tools to like work on those things even when I'm not here. I'm Taylor, I'm 29. I am a Dungeons and Dragons enthusiast. I am a professional bodybuilder, and that's my life. I work in mental health. I am in school to be a therapist, but right now I work in outreach. So I'm on the road a lot, and when I'm not doing that, I'm probably lifting or rolling dice. I came to Ascent because a friend recommended me, and it turned out to be the best decision that I've ever made because I felt right at home right away. It has just been, it's really been amazing. I'm actually thinking about how much work we've done together, and I haven't had shoulder pain that I originally came here for in months now. So that's been wild. Before I came here, the internet is a scary place for stretches and like things that you should be doing to fix your aches and pains. So I was playing doctor on the internet, trying to do every stretch in the universe. And when it wasn't working or making it worse, I said, it is probably time for me to find someone that actually knows what they're doing to fix all of my problems. The shoulder pain that I originally came here for, I haven't had in months. Hip pain is progressively getting better. Ankles are better, knees are better. I now have tools to like work on those things even when I'm not here, which I think is a big part of it. It's one of those programs where like you don't want to be in it forever because it means that it's not necessarily working. So the fact that I've been mostly pain-free, or when I do have pain, I'm able to kind of mitigate that, and I have the homework and the tools now. I have all my emails, all my homework. It's been a really big help. So as far as how physical therapy's helped me with competing, it has helped my posing because my back is not totally jacked up all the time. My endurance is better. Any aches and pains that I was getting during my workouts, my lifts are more effective because I don't have the same injuries that I started with. Any injuries that I have sustained have just been fixed right then and there when I've come back in, the next week, and it's made a huge difference. Everything just feels better all the time. Like, I can't get over how much better my lifts are. My squats. Actually, really, we should talk about the fact that I came here with a 95-pound deadlift, and I now am at 215. So, can't complain about that. When I first started deadlifting, form was completely wrong. We've corrected my form and the injuries that were causing it. So, in the back of my shoulder, I was really not able to engage my lats doing a deadlift, which I have now learned how to engage them, and then the injury that was causing that is, I would say, fixed at this point. I haven't had pain in a really long time, so that has helped a ton. Form is really everything, because if you're doing deadlifts with bad form, then you screw up your lower back, which I was doing for a really long time. So now lower back feels better. I'm able to lift weight with good form, and that's just with everything I've been doing. That's deadlifts, squats, everything. My advice, if you haven't come here yet, just do it. See how it goes, because I was afraid to come here thinking it wasn't something that I actually needed, and I was like, I don't know if I'm willing to spend the money on this. It has made the biggest difference in something that I love to do so much. So like, if you run, if you lift, if you are competitive in any capacity, whatever sport you do, come here. See if anything can be fixed, because like, optimize your performance. I'm so glad that I did. If I didn't, I don't honestly know where I would be right now.